In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sizes on Big Cartel in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a long-time store owner or just starting out, having the ability to customize your products with size variations is key to satisfying customer needs and maximizing your sales potential. So let's dive right in and get your product set up with different size options on your Big Cartel online store. First and foremost, navigate to the website Free Easy Online Stores for Artists and Small Businesses, also known as Big Cartel. This platform is specifically designed to help creators like you sell their merchandise easily and efficiently online. Upon arriving at the homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This is your doorway to accessing the back end of your online shop where all the magic happens. Now, to log in, you'll be asked for your shop URL. It's a unique address that leads straight to your storefront on Big Cartel. Enter the URL carefully to ensure you're taken to the right place. Following that, you'll need to input your password. Make sure it's entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in accessing your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Big Cartel dashboard. This is the control room of your online store where you can manage products, view analytics, and customize your site, among other things. Your next step is to click on Product from the dashboard. This area is where all your listed items are neatly organized. It's the starting point for making any changes to the products you have for sale, including adding new variations such as sizes. After you've clicked on Product, take a moment to select a product you wish to add sizes to. Perhaps it's a new t-shirt design or a custom hat that comes in various sizes. Whichever item it is, click on it to open up the product editing page. Here comes the fun part. Adding variants, look for and click on the Add Variant button. Variants allow you to offer options for your product. In this case, different sizes. Upon clicking, a field will appear where you can type in the name of your first size option. For example, type small if you're starting with the smallest size available. Next, repeat the process for the next size by typing medium as the name for your second variant, and then do the same for large. Remember, these are just examples. Depending on your product, you might have more sizes or different naming conventions. The key here is to be consistent and clear in your naming to ensure a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Once you have all your desired sizes added as variants, don't forget to click on Save. This step is crucial as it updates your product listing with the new size options. Missing this step means none of your hard work gets applied, and we wouldn't want that. And there you have it. You've successfully added size variants to your product on Big Cartel. These steps can be repeated for as many items as necessary, ensuring each of your products can be precisely tailored to meet your customers' needs. Before wrapping up, I'd like to share a couple of additional tips to enhance your Big Cartel experience. First, consider the clarity and consistency of your variant names across different products. This not only helps in managing inventory, but also in providing a seamless shopping experience. Second, always preview changes on your storefront before finalizing to ensure everything looks and works as expected. It's time to let your creativity and business acumen shine through your Big Cartel online store, now with the added functionality of product size variations. Keep exploring, iterating, and optimizing your store to best serve your audience. And remember, the more intuitive your store is, the easier it is for shoppers to find and purchase their perfect product in exactly the right size. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you take your Big Cartel store to the next level. Happy selling!